Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to increase font size on Snapchat. Sometimes the text you send on Snapchat may look too small, but the app gives you a simple way to make your messages stand out. With the built-in font size adjustment, you can easily enlarge your text before sending it so your chats look clearer and more fun. You don't need any third-party app or extra settings. This feature is already available in Snapchat. Here's how to do it on your mobile device. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Now, go to the search bar and type Snapchat. Check if there's an update available. If yes, tap Update to make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Having the updated version is important because older versions may not show this feature. Once updated, go back and open the Snapchat application. Now, go to the chat section and open any person's chat from your list. Here, type a message in the text box like you normally do. When the text appears, you'll notice small arrows on the text box. If you drag these arrows upward, the font size will increase, making your text look bigger and more visible. Now adjust it as much as you like, and then send the message. The person on the other side will receive it in the larger size, which makes it more eye-catching and fun to use in conversations. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.